SEMA 2025 had legends, monsters, and machines built to shock the world. But only one build made the entire show floor stop. This is the Typhoon, Shadow 6 Racing's boldest creation ever.
Hey guys, it's Ryan with Shadow 6 Racing, and we're getting ready for SEMA. We're 5 days out, and as usual, we are working down to the last minute before we have to put our vehicle on our trailer and take it all the way across the country to Las Vegas for the world's largest aftermarket automotive accessories trade show.
The Typhoon is a completely custom feat of engineering, fabricated entirely from titanium and carbon fiber. The Typhoon's titanium chassis and suspension not only make it stronger, lighter, and faster, but it also makes it immune to the harsh effects of marine environments. While the Typhoon might look top-heavy, only 328 pounds of the vessel's 2,250-pound weight is located above the waterline. This is made possible by the use of titanium alongside of carbon fiber composite components. The production version of this incredible vehicle sports over 500 horsepower thanks to two Yamaha GP1800R SVHO supercharged engines, capable of launching it to its electronically limited top speed of 70 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. The Typhoon is more than just a vehicle, it's a bold new category in motorsports. That offers drivers the ultimate motorsports experience. Typhoon owners are among an elite group of individuals who dominate the command of everyone's attention in the marina. For those looking to raise the bar in the super yacht class, look no further. The Shadow 6 Typhoon is the envy of all who are lucky enough to catch a glimpse of these incredible machines. This is the Typhoon. A machine so radical, people thought it was a movie prop. Every angle, every line, every component on this machine has one purpose: to destroy expectations. This isn't a concept sketch. This isn't a prototype. This is a fully realized, precision-engineered beast built for extreme surf dominance.
and getting set up, but it always pays off at the end of the day. Day one, got ourselves a couple of awards, incredibly happy about that. Super grateful to having Janko sponsoring us to come out here. And it's been an incredible partnership. Not only have we had the opportunity to come out here and show everybody out there our vehicles and the craftsmanship we're capable of once again, but we've actually seen a true testament to how solid the product that Janko makes is. So far, so good. Met a lot of awesome people at the show. Always a fantastic opportunity to network, meet new individuals, show customers what we can do. But feel free to take a look. We'll show you a little bit more of the vehicle and some more of the cool things that we brought out to the SEMA show.
This isn't a build, it's a declaration of war on impossible. When the Typhoon hit the floor, everything else instantly looked outdated. This is engineering with zero fear and zero compromise. SEMA didn't know what hit it. Welcome to the next chapter. Shadow 6 is writing it. Look at the structure. Look at the stance. Look at the unapologetic aggression built into every square inch. This is engineering with no fear and no compromise. It's what happens when you stop asking permission and start rewriting the rules of performance. People didn't just notice the Typhoon. They swarmed it. Phones out, cameras rolling, influencers sprinting across the hall just to get a glimpse. There were hundreds of builds at SEMA, but only one became the headline. Only one became the conversation. Only one became the innovation that stole SEMA. This is Shadow 6 Racing. This is the Typhoon. This is the future. Welcome to the next era of performance innovation.